I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu or sub-menus on your Shopify website. Take a look at the example here. As you can see, each menu item has sub-items. Let's begin. First, head to your Shopify admin and select Content. From there, you will need to go to your menus. Select Menus and find the one you are using on your website. If you don't have a main menu yet, create one and continue to the next step. To create main menu items, simply select Add Menu Item and it will create a main menu item. To create a sub-menu item, first, on the main menu item, change the link, which is directly to the right of the menu item label, to a £, which will create a drop-down style menu. Click Add Menu Item and drag it below the main menu item. It should look indented if it's in the right place. This will allow you to create sub-menu items. You can link your pages and blogs to the sub-menu items. Here is what it should look like. When you are finished adding menus and sub-menus, it will be visible on your website. Happy website building! Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.